This will be a semi, well, definitely informal because I'm talking whilst I'm walking into the frame. How's it going, ladies and gents? So, that was a bit creepy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Hey. We are back with the abandoned Pulsar GTiR, and all we're going to be doing today is literally just wrapping up some bits and pieces in the engine bay.
Weird car nonsense, by the way.
Yeah. What are we doing though?
We are going to be mounting, hopefully, the new miniature battery that matches the one that I've got in the GTR. It's just the heaviest thing in the world for such a tiny little thing. So
this is actually for motorbikes.
Yeah, a little motorbike battery.
But you can use them for cars.
The new Cusco catch can that Nate's fitted in a previous video.
Yeah, so that's all we're doing today. We've mocked up where we're going to be going with it.
Does require some drilling.
That's it, really. So, bit of this is a bit of a nonsense one, to be fair.
Oh yeah.
It's not massive improvements, but we do need to do it because we've been taking
the massive old battery.
That's lighter.
Is it lighter?
That's light. We've been taking this battery in and out of the car.
There we go.
It is
That's lighter.
That's lighter. Oh my god. Anyway, we've been taking this one in and out of the car.
Do you want me to lift these for you? Because I know you're not very strong.
Yeah. And it's just been a pain in the arse. So I bought this one ages ago, but we've not been able to fit it because we just haven't. And there's no point because the car wasn't ready really, but the car's getting ready to warrant a battery being in it, which is good news.
It is good news. And for those of you who followed this build all the way from the start, you'll remember.
You're amazing.
Yeah, you're great. But you'll remember the really crap mounting of the old battery, and we're going to do it properly.
Yes, yeah. I've got brackets and stuff. I'll get something custom made in the end.
Just that bent bracket that was there, the bendy is awful.
Absolute joke.
We'll do it better.
So that's what we're doing now, guys. Follow along. Hey?
I'm just saying, it only needs to be a little bit bigger size-wise. It's going to be very noisy.
Oh, I know. Well, it's not going to be that noisy, a bit right. Go
pilot hole first.
Hey?
Yeah, pilot hole.
Yeah. Well, so I got this. That's for pilot hole, but
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Smaller than the hole you're trying to create.
Oh, that's really good fun. That's because you don't have a punch.
Yeah, I know.
Nah, it's because it's not. Because there's play in there. Look.
Yeah, that's because it's on hammer. Is it on hammer?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll turn it off hammer.
Oh, fuck's sake.
There you go. It'll still be wibbly wobbly, but the hammer doesn't. It won't jiggle around as much.
Jiggle.
That's
what she said.
Yep. There you go.
These are not very good anyway, these drill bits.
Nah.
They're really not very good, is it? It's doing nothing.
Bloody hell. Okay. Well, you've got your pilot. You've got your pilot anyway for the bigger one.
I don't think we do.
You'll break a drill bit if you put too much pressure on it.
No, I know, but you feel it. I needed to get bigger dent in it.
Yeah. All right.
Well, this is garbage, ladies and gents. I don't know whether... I think we got a bit too close to this one, though.
You think it's too close? There it is. You got the point.
Wow, there we go, guys. Oh, such fun.
You won't do that with a bigger one.
Hey?
You won't break a bigger one if you put a big one on there.
No.
Not much I can do here. I'm more of an observer.
Well, you could get your drill bits, because I'm clearly going to fuck all mine up, aren't
They're all the same. I've only got wooden ones.
Have you? Well,
Yeah.
so are these.
I know.
Fucking right, idiot.
You're not going to break any more, mate.
Well, you say that, mate.
You won't.
You say that.
There you go.
Go. Oh, this is quite good actually.
Yeah, there you go.
Fine now.
It's only because that other one was so small.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Right, so. Yeah.
No,
Actually, not much more. Not much more. I'm
It is a lot more.
Nah.
It is.
Nah.
Well, it is. Look at the other ones.
Oh god, look, the clip of your bottom hose clip is almost completely rust
Where?
on the radiator. Can't.
Where? Oh.
I need a new one of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's big enough.
Try that one.
Yeah, that's totally big enough. You can tell. Easy peasy.
Yay!
That's nice and neat as well, actually.
That is good actually.
And what I would do, have you got any primer?
Huh?
You got any black primer or anything?
I do. Yeah. I got some zinc primer.
Yeah, that'll do. Just stop it from rusting.
Well, you bloody... You tell the camera that. I'll go get it. You talk to the camera.
Because we've got we've just drilled 2 holes in metal and made.
Drilled in metal.
This is a sarcastic little, and because it's exposed some bare metal, we're gonna have to prime them to stop it from rusting, because that's what Nissans love to do. So that's what he's going to go do. Apart from being really sarcastic, he's gone to go get some primer. Zinc primer, I think. That looks good. And quickly show you what we've done. So down here are 2 new holes there and over here, and we're going to put the battery almost across here like this, because over here is a very nice big gap for this pretty fella. So I'll put you back on the mount because you can hear him rattling the cans. Look at him, basically Banksy.
Yeah, well, I've got 2. Because people, I don't know whether everyone knows this, but primer is actually porous, so it can still rust through.
There we go.
So you never just use primer. You should always put a bit of a coat on as well. Quite happy with that. That's quite good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's perfect. It's perfect position as well, actually, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just try and get it in the hole.
Yeah, that'll do.
Perfect. So dry for a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
While...
There's a bit of gloss black.
Yeah, I do.
Go to the top.
I was just thinking, while we're waiting for that to dry,
Well, let's cut the
should we cut the threads out of that?
Yes, it's still recorded.
Have we got
Yes.
battery, something I can plug this into?
You mean an extension lead?
That's the word.
Not a battery,
Yeah.
yes. I've got an extension.
Thank you all.
Tell them what we're going to be doing.
We're going to be cutting. I'll show you. So we've got, because these batteries are really fun. They don't come with any mounts on top, so you have to go and buy your own threaded rod, which I've lost. Where's the threaded rod? Anyway,
Also, tell them the other thing.
lost the threaded rod.
You're joking.
There's somewhere around here somewhere, but I don't know.
It's
where it is.
important to tell them as well. It actually did not come anywhere
That's what I just
near
said.
with it.
Yeah, I just said it.
What a bloody nightmare.
Yeah.
Didn't come with the terminals.
Yeah,
Had to
so
buy them.
You have to buy these separately, and even when you buy these separately, the threaded rod that I've lost around here somewhere, that you have to buy separately. So we're gonna put a nut on the rod.
Here.
Ah, yeah.
There we go.
So obviously way too long.
Yeah,
Only need a little
massively.
bit. Use this nut before you cut. Cut it in. Cut as long as you want, and then wind that off, and it rethreads it. Easy peasy.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, let's do that.
We're almost doing a one take on this video, you know that.
No, it needs to be long. It needs to be taller than that.
Oh shit, yeah. Okay, we'll grab them then.
Yeah.
Because then we can
Needs to
do
go
the other
to
one at the
about-
top. No, take that one off.
What? No, I'm measuring the length.
It
What?
doesn't need to be that long because you need to screw it in at the top. The top doesn't have a thread.
Oh yeah, it doesn't. So it needs to...
Ladies and gents.
Well, no, it's only
Nick.
because I can't see the top there. It goes to about there, inside.
All right.
So let's take it a bit lower because it doesn't have to be perfect.
Yeah, there you go.
Right, there we go.
Cool.
Whee.
Excellent.
So this is going to be, because we don't have a bench or anything to do this with, I'm going to have to
We're doing this a little bit MacGyvery,
Yeah,
just like
very-
we did with the
very, very MacGyvery.
with the turbo that time.
So what I'm doing is I'm going to move the nut backwards to where I want the thread to be eventually, and the nut pulls my paint pen mark off, which is lovely. But now we've got the nut on this bit. When I cut here, I can then rethread
any
the
damage,
nut back off.
yeah, any damage that's been done to the thread, the nut should correct.
Yeah.
Basically, that's the aim. That's real bad. Do it on the battery.
Yeah, but even then, it's still going to go, because this is such a tiny little thing, and this is mental. I'm wondering if I do just go get a little.
Not the Dremel.
Nah, the
Saw? No, don't use. Just try it. We've got so much thread to play with. Just try it.
If it's going to ping off somewhere.
I know. Just try it. This is what we're doing, ladies and gents. Oh my god!
Really should-
It looks so dumb. I'm not gonna lie. That looks awful, mate.
Well, because it is.
Everyone's been like, Nick needs to come back in video. That was alright.
Yeah, I was taking it really slow.
Nick needs to come back in videos. Comes back.
Chops his arm off.
Well,
I mean, that's not ideal, is it?
no.
That's because this is too aggressive.
That's not bad. We can sand that down. You grind it down.
Yeah, but who's going to fucking hold that?
Get the grinder back, mate.
Yeah.
I'm not holding it. You hold it.
Okay, like what Bob did. Oh. That was hot. That was. I just touched it and it was hot. Yeah. Not massively hot, but hot enough you don't want to touch it.
Yeah.
That was dumb.
Oh, I'll tell you what I do need to do.
I'm
actually,
I'll go get an actual cutter.
I do need to drill this hole through here. Where's the paint pen?
Paint pen. So that one's all right. Yeah, turn it around the other way.
Has to be slightly angled.
You can rub it off anyway, so it doesn't matter if it gets on there. But I don't know, how are you going to...
So we've opted to go for the saw method now, ladies and gents.
Yeah. A little bit less idiocy.
Yeah, well, a little less nonsense, mate. Enjoy that
It
one.
could take like 3 years to do it though.
Yeah, I'm actually going to do this on a time lapse.
Check if it's warm.
Mine's still got loads of
Solid.
moisture in it.
Oh, can't do any more. I'd have to get some...
Oh no, that's fine.
Yeah, that's really solid, mate.
But this,
Yeah, that guy's not going to go there now.
no.
So,
So we did all that for nothing.
yeah, but... You...
No, we did all that for nothing.
That bugger.
Lame.
Could this not be bent in, do you think? Because if we could bend that in... I just want to see if it fits.
I know, but we've got to get this. We've got to get this actually on camera, mate. We've done so much crap just off camera.
To get to this point.
I know.
You've got to take this guy out, haven't you?
Yeah, unscrew that.
Is it one
Go
on
all the
bottom?
way down to the bottom. Hey?
No.
Yeah, don't unscrew it all the way.
Yeah.
Just that should be enough.
Yeah. Oh my god, it fits.
Oh
Bit of a-
yes,
bit of a-
it doesn't matter. It works. We've got something looking
we
all
do
right.
something?
We've actually done something which isn't shit for a change.
It is a bit wonky, but a bracket will actually sort that out. I like that.
It doesn't. Yeah, I like it. I don't care that it's wonky. I think
Another
that's cool.
pipes are fouling? No, they're perfect.
No. That's actually really good. Although we didn't put the terminals on.
Where do they go? Oh, on the
the
battery
the
terminals.
battery terminals.
Oh,
Yeah.
Well, they come over here. Look. God, these are fucking old and horrible, aren't they?
Horrible, yeah.
Oh,
Well,
they're too small for the bloody cut. Oh no.
you're joking me.
No, then you're gonna have to get a new nut, a longer guy. It'll just bend out and bend round. They're too small to go over it like that.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
You see what I mean? Look, you just need a new one of these. That I keep dropping through the bloody engine bay. See, look. Yeah.
Have you done it?
Yep.
Right. Have you?
Yep.
Epic.
Could be better,
Could be.
but tell you what, mate, that's not going anywhere. Yeah, you're right. That is a bit shit, isn't it? Maybe still a longer threaded screw on there.
Yeah.
We'll hold it. That's fine. I mean, you probably
It's
look
not
the
going
battery up.
anywhere, is it? Well, shall we
Start
close
the
out this video by starting the car?
I'd like that.
That'd be good, wouldn't it?
Yeah. I bet the battery's got absolutely no power in it.
You reckon?
Yeah, probably. Oh, no, it's got some power in it. I shut the hell up, shall I?
What was that? What was that, Nick? What was that?
I'm just going to take this off here.
Anything else there?
I'm just checking quickly. Nah, you're good. Oh, that'll be alright, won't it? Alright.
Good start. First time.